Alright. Sorry, I got sucked into a video that I was watching. Hey, Chloe, how's it going? How you doing? Alright. That's my bad. I should not have been just watching a video on stream. How's it going, everybody? Happy Monday! We made it to June. How exciting. Let's make sure I can see all of your messages. Alright. Fantastic. See if I can do this for once. Sure, that'll work. Hey! So, I've done a few things on the game this weekend, on my off hours. So, I can catch everybody up to speed, except for I just have a dog here on my face, and I can't not see it in the corner of my eye. All right. We'll stop there. So yeah, last week on Friday we ended up working on or not Friday. I took Friday off. Thursday we ended up working on the wandering functionality. At least that's what I started. So wandering, what is that? So that's where I have the NPC randomly wandering around the map. So I already had set designated walking paths, right? You know, where I manually move the person around and I record their path, and then they're free to, basically do as they please. That being said, wandering is completely random. And I want it to look as natural as possible. So I had put a bunch of different, conditionals in place. And I got a good thing. I got Carol, who was the old lady walking around the room. I got her out of the room. But, that was that's where I ended on Thursday, basically. Over the weekend, though, I completely finalized the wandering logic. She can now walk randomly just around the map, like as you see her doing. She can stop at random times and just change direction, so she's not just walking on a set path. You'll see her just randomly pause sometimes and then just completely change direction. So that she can detect collisions on everything on the map, including me. So the main character is now, she can't run into me. So if I go ahead and stand in her way, she'll just walk the other way. Or she'll stop, right? And as you can see, she just randomly stops and decides to go up still. So she's just kind of wandering around as the logic intended. And yeah, she can get herself out of rooms. She can't get stuck. If she does get stuck, she'll stop and change direction and try to find her way out. And yeah, it came out pretty good, I think. So I'm done with that. And it's great because it's basically just a checkbox right here. Yeah, whatever. Let's Let's go locally. I don't know why that's wrong. So you see right here, Wanderer. So we have a new Wanderer checkbox. Not checkbox, radio. If it's yes, she wanders. If it's not, then she can go with her path. Now, I am letting Wanderer override the path. So even though I have a set path here from her old walking path, if I put Wanderer on, she just wanders. And repeat and path are no longer being paid attention to. But the time between her how long her pauses are, that's still the same. That still works, and speed works. So I can make the person really fast or really slow. So I have control over that as well during the wandering. And that's good. So I want to actually try restarting real quick. Because I think I can't trigger her mission now, which I'm worried about. And look, I also did a few other things over the weekend. I worked on some game assets using VO3's Flow AI video generation and my own character art. So I created this picture of Graham on the background, like I created the background and the picture, a static photo, and I uploaded it to VO3 and I gave it some prompts and said, hey, make it into an intro video. He's talking and then he looks sad, whatever. And I will do the voiceovers, at a later date. So it came up pretty good. I mean, I'll probably still do some cleanup work, maybe even remove the mouth manually with some video editing, animation editing, and then maybe add my own talking. But we'll see. I might be able to just kind of fake it for now and match the cadence of his talking. It's a little fast, but I think talking naturally kind of is a bit fast anyway, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So I'm going to try that out. I'll add some stuff. But you might see his walking animations are a little bit weird now. Because I also took it upon myself to let the AI generate walking animations. So you see his walking left and right are much more natural and smooth. And these are actually dead on good. He even has a little bit of a head nod. I mean, this is great. Now, the up is a little weird. I also have this working, but it kind of looks like he's shuffling. And then the down, his head is just like a different color. So I think I need to do some color correction on the down video. And I think his eyes are too far apart too, now that I look at it. That being said though, this ups my animation game tenfold, being able to generate these. And it still takes a lot of work because I have to export the videos, put them into Photoshop, go frame by frame, remove the backgrounds, and put it on a loop and turn it into a GIF. So I mean, it's not like I'm just being like, hey, do this, and I upload it. AI art is a tool. AI videos are a tool for me. I will not shun a tool that speeds up my abilities. I would have just had to spend a year creating the assets myself. It's not like I would have paid somebody. But yeah, the eyes are a little off. Which I don't know why they're that. They're very off for some reason. I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright, Carol. Let's see if you can talk to me.
Hey, Graham,
it worked.
I heard about you.
Okay, good. I was worried the mission... I mean, the cutscenes wouldn't go through still.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
I am worried, though, that the images aren't showing up. And I actually don't know why that's happening. Why is that happening? Because the images show up when I do Salversons. Let me fix that. Looks like he's slipping around.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Yeah, see, look at the images showing here.
Mr. Salverson?
Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, Grain.
Yeah, that's weird.
Sir, you know I was... Grain, unfortunately...
Cranston and Giles have been enough. You know they'd say anything too.
Don't forget the watermelon. There's just no way...
Meet me in my office.
Meet me in my office.
Alright, so that cutscene worked fine, but Carol's didn't. Which is really weird. TBH. Let me see here. Talk to Carol. Talk to Carol. So here's the cutscene. Yeah, here's all the cutscenes. Here's the character art. Yeah, so her picture's here. It's just weird. The whole image swapping shit didn't work. Wonder why. I need to, I know it's a different cutscene engage functionality, but I mean the cutscene's still working. I'm not getting a console error. You know what? Actually, I was getting a console error. And I think I did like a check if it doesn't exist. Something's going on. Oh god, it's bug season. Hey, how's it going, Short Juice? Welcome to the party. What was I doing? That's how you spell it in case. Yeah, so when it comes to the cutscene, we have is area dependent mission. I think this might be it. All right? No. This isn't it. Cutscene trigger maybe? Yeah. No. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah. Can move. That was also one thing I was having issues with, I think. I think she was walking away while talking to me. I might have to try that out again. Okay, so what's the problem? The problem we're having is this the right area? Yeah, I think this is just... Right, engagement is not equal, so you just run into me. Okay, so this is it. This is the right one. So value should be the person. Box is me. And engage cutscene happens. So the problem is position. So if that equals undefined, then I look for that. Otherwise, it's position. So that's... I think that might be the problem. Right. I think I need to change position as well. Because I think position was just supposed to be a name before. But instead, it can be a cutscene. So I need clean class name position to make position a position. Position. Let's try that. Yeah, I think that's the problem. And that will help with the play song. That'll help with all the other things that position has. I guess that's it. Where am I doing the whole image thing, though? I think it's down here. Right? Dialogue. Yeah. Where's the image logic? Man, I really didn't comment anywhere in this code. Make talk. Cutscene. This is if it's a video. Okay, well. I think that'll be the fix though. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we need to take if position, if this is undefined. Same thing. Oh, wait. Wait. So if position class name is undefined, then good. Then position is position. Otherwise, clean class name, position, class name. That should be the fix. If I'm not absolutely fucking wrong. I'm so confident I'm just gonna test it locally. That's how confident I am. Okay, here we go. So now she should have an image when I try this out. Oh wait, I gotta restart. Carol. Okay. Come here, Carol. Okay, her image. If she doesn't stop and change direction, her image should show up in the cutscene now. Okay, that didn't work. Shit, why not? Why is it not working? Look. It's doing shit. Carol's right here. Inside here. Explore character 2668. Wait, what? Uh-oh. I'm using the IDs now. Wait. How am I doing the image thing? Engage cutscene. Position, clean class name position, okay. So, pause. She also didn't stop walking like I need, so I need to fix that too. I really need them to stop moving, because she wouldn't be like way up here still talking to you. That'd be weird. And I can do that using the pause logic. So I will actually do that. Because I don't think that the whole pausing when she runs into you thing is a... I don't think it's a thing in wander mode. That's just for paths. So in reality... Whoa, there goes gravity. Sorry. So here's starting. Where's the image shit? I'm getting off topic here. Got the text container. That's fine. That's fine. Dialogue, whatever. None of this have to do with the image. Let's go into here. Okay. Nope, that's the talking. That's the current dialogue. Here's the current character. Okay. I think this is where we're running into an issue, actually. Now that I think about it. Because they're using the ID. I'm using the ID in the class name now. Instead of the name. Was I always doing that? Wait, where's talk to Salverson? That's mission list. Hold on. Or where's... Yeah, talk to Salverson. Is this it? No. Talk to Salverson. No. Yes. No. Where's the fucking... Explore cut scene? No. Cutscene trigger? No, this is a trigger. Where's the actual cutscene? Oh, motherfucker. Cut. Map. Cutscene. There we go. Introduction. Here we go. Salverson. This is what I was looking for. MC. Salverson. Oh, that's so weird. How come hers is saving as character with the ID? When did that happen? Did I change that? Hold on. Let me check. I'm going to resave Salverson's cutscene because I think it's pretty old. I wonder if it'll change and we'll be in the same issue. Like, I wonder if I changed that for a reason. Let me check. Yeah, map cutscene. No, see, it's still using Salverson. Let me try to take one out and add a new one. So delete that. Add a fresh. MP3. Select MC. Let's try again. Go. Map cutscene. Oh yeah, look at that. The new one uses explore character and the ID. How the fuck did I do that? Why did I do that? When did I do that? I don't even remember changing that. Ew. Well, it's obviously here. I must have added the character class. Yeah, look. Select a character. If it exists, I'm using the ID. I must have switched it to ID for some reason. Oh, this is when I changed the drop-down option from a taxonomy to the post. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Okay. So that's the character. Okay, that shouldn't. All I have to do is change what I put in the character cut. Okay, hold on. This will all become apparent. So MC is now going to be my ID, not MC. Which will be MC, yeah. So this is now my ID. Hold please. Oh my god, I can't fucking type. This is PHP. Okay, there we go. So now that's my ID. But now for other people, the character cut needs to be their ID. Yeah, here we go. So instead of character, as in the character name, that's the name. I need the post ID. And that, my friends, should do it. Okay. So that being said, the cutscene should now be using the ID. And I'm not going to make it backwards compatible. This is forward logic. So here, this is basically me just cleaning up to get the character. And now that I have the character's name, I was using that to get the class name. And I was using the class name. Oh god, this is going to affect a lot of logic. So, not that bad actually. So we're getting the current talking point, and then we're getting the audio. And then we're grabbing the class names. Wait a second. Is this in the class name? Oh, it is. Okay. So we need to boil this all down to just get the number. So we're getting rid of engage. Or engage. We're getting rid of that. And we're getting rid of explore character. Okay. And that should leave us with the ID, which instead will be this. And this is not class anymore, it is ID. But we'll leave that so I don't have to rewrite a bunch of shit. Actually, it's not that many. Let's rewrite it. ID. Let's go ahead and rewrite these. Not a big deal. Alright, that should be fine. Cool. And now that we have the ID, we're going through here, checking if it is, oh, yeah, in this case, I need to know MCs. Because this determines whether it's my shit or the map character. Yeah, right. So let me figure out a better way to do this. Well, what would my ID? Hey, Carol, turn around, bitch. Get out of my way. Yeah. That would get me the actual character. And in my case, that would be... Oh, look, I don't even have my ID. Interesting. In that case, I can just check if it doesn't exist. Because my ID shouldn't exist. That's kind of shoddy, though. Maybe I should put my ID. Because then I wouldn't even have to switch it. It could be the same thing. Alright, let's do that. Let's just add my ID. Then I don't even need to check the diff. It could be the same thing. Because that was map character, right? Yeah. Let's go to map character. Oh, that's what I make the ID. Shit. Well, that screws me. Okay, then maybe I can't do that. Unless I switch all of map character IDs in the code to a class. Which I could do. I don't have any classes, I think. Oh no, I have my class as the direction. Okay, yeah, I can't do this. Okay. So I can just go back to what it was. But I could be, I could at least determine what my class is. I mean, what my main character ID is somehow. So that means I have to put it somewhere. I mean, I don't want to make like a global variable just for this one conditional. But what I could do is check that the ID exists. Oh no, it does exist. I saw it. It exists for me. Is there something else on my talking, on my cutscene? No, that's a video. So on mine, no, there's nothing special. It's just the ID. All right. Looks like I'm gonna have to put my ID somewhere for reference. Maybe just on the container or something. Do I have main character ID here already? I think I'm using it for my images, I want to say. Current. Yeah, images, yeah. Which I'm getting here. You know what I just realized is because I named the character MC, you can't name your main character. Like, I've gotten around it, I guess, so far. But I bet I hard-coded Graham in here already. But yeah, you can't name your main character. Which means you can't show its name anywhere. Like when it's talking, if you wanted to. Oh man, I'm going down a rabbit hole of shit. Okay, hold on. What do we do? Alright, well let's start just fixing the cutscene. Yes, let's do that. See, I think I can make that a global option. And instead of like hard coding MC anywhere, I could make, okay, what's your main character? And it'll be in the drop down, just like what's your first level to be your main character. And then I can make that a global variable. That way, you know, you can reference it everywhere in the code instead of MC. I'm annoying. This isn't even what I wanted to do during stream today. I wanted to work on a new wall building functionality. Okay. Wasting time. Alright, I don't want to forget what I'm doing, but I do want to make the main character a global variable. So let's try to do that without forgetting what I was doing. Game options. So game options settings are right here. So game page title. Cool. Very important. Starting area. Main character. Main character. I gotta do the same thing. Set of areas is gonna be characters. Trying to minimize the amount of typing you have to do. There should be no typos. Nothing that'll screw you up. Everything should be set. Okay. That should get you somewhere. And if you have more than 100 characters, good for you. You know what? I'll give you 2. More than 100 more than 100 areas. I'll give you 2. There we go. More than 50 pages? Well, that's probably a given. Let's do 200. Yeah. We got to let this scale for people. Okay. Main character. Great. So now I should be able to choose a main character. I'm going to change my main character's main character name now. See, we have a main character drop down now. Let's change it from MC to Graham. That will not change the slug, but at least I can have his title be different now. And now we'll go to Graham. Awesome. Save. Save. Perfectos del mundos. That is not Spanish. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and change the Twitch category. I always forget to do that. Now we're good. Want early access to 2K streaming? Affiliates and partners can now request access to 2K streaming beta. I don't know if I want my face in 2K. Nah, probably not. That might be a little weird. I think I'm clear enough in 1080. Okay, back to this. So Graham is now the main character. We need to set that somewhere. Let's just do it. Let's hard code it in the map. So let's get the main character. We have all this shit. Now let's do main character equals get option. Explore main character. False. Alright. So we can put this bad boy, I guess. I think I want to put him nowhere that's going to get overwritten. So like game container, I think gets overwritten, right? No, it doesn't. That's where all the points are and shit. Oh, I think it's default map that gets overwritten. Incorrect. Okay, well, that's the main character slug. So let's go ahead and put it here. We'll put data main. Data main's fine. Main character. Sure. So we have the main character there, but let's also add this to the images. Where is it? Main character info. Yeah, right here. Boop. Boop. Great. So now should be exact same thing. Should be getting all the images the same way and blah, 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 blah. But you can decide who your main character is, so I can change it. Change it on the fly if I wanted to. That's great. Now, I need to get rid of everything that's hard-coded. Let's do that by creating a global variable that looks at the container, the game container. Game container is right here. Right here. And let's get current location. Okay. Let's get const main character equals current location. No. Data set main. Cool. That should work technically. Because this should be the game container. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. That being said, let's look for everything that says MC. And replace that with main character. Alright. Anywhere else? Old char name? Sure. Great. Oh, we had more. Main character. Main character. Oops. There we go. Let's keep it going. Okay, that was it. Oh, we're gonna have to replace all of these. Let's get to it. Main character. Unresolved. Didn't I set it at the very beginning? Is it not being passed? Maybe I should switch it to a window variable. Something like this. Yeah, something like that. I'll just have to switch all of them. Well, let's make them all regular, and then I'll add window to all of them at once. Alright. Yeah, this should be fine. Right? Actually, I might have to switch. Now that I think about it. I think I hard-coded MC in the template itself. Far-reaching changes never break anything, right? Never. Okay. That'll do there. Looks like we have some shit to remove. Dynamic. Okay. Let's try just MC. Aha. Okay. should work. Oh, got another one. Okay. Push MC. Looks okay. I could still use it as a variable name. I'm not worried about that. And I think that might be it in the JavaScript side. Nope. Right here. MC. Apparently. Which I don't know if that'll work. Oh, MC map item. Oh, this is the whole thing I was trying to fix with the whole changing the name. And yeah, now this is the ID, so I'll have to change that. Yeah. I have the name, I don't have the ID. Yeah, think about that. MC map item seems to be my global. So let's get rid of all that. This is rough. Using MC everywhere. Oh my god, there's still so many. Character. So many. Oh my god. Okay. You just gotta be careful with this, because I need to not replace shit that is not MC in its proper usage. Okay. This might be good now. I think I've already been through this. Okay. Nope. Got another one. Good catch. Oh, god damn it. I was already... I keep doing this. Okay. Good, good, good. Good, 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 good. Alright, let's replace all the MCs now, which I can't just do in bulk. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Sorry. Yes, I can. Alright, so main character as window.main character. Boop. And now let's get rid of all the windows, which is just these two. And we should be good. Cool. Alright, that should work. Oh, we have an error. I screwed something up. What? Oh. Am I using const somewhere? Oh. 1869. Good year. Oh shit. Looks like I made this incorrectly. This should not have been here. MC It looks like I already had a main character or something. Oh, maybe I switched a bunch of MCs by accident. So let's keep this MC. MC is fine. MC for each. Wait, what? MC image. Oh, it's all my images. Right. MC image. MC image. This is MC. 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 Okay. That should be okay. Cool. I think that will work. Let's see, will you compile now? Yes. Alright, but now that we have the main character, we need to make sure, I think all his images should switch now. Let's just double check in here. We don't have any MC hard-coded, which we do. So instead, this will be echo. So main character. There we go. Perfect. And that was it. All right, let's see what we got. See, it should all still be MC. Because that was his slug. Map character icon. Yep, it's all MC still. Nothing changed. So it should still work. Oh, we have an error. No. Okay, we're good. Okay. I think, yeah, see, we're still in a good spot. Everything's still working normally. Whoa, what the fuck? Wait, what did I do? Uh-oh. Things are not working. Something is broken. Data set. My voice. Interesting. Which should still be... Wait, what? Yeah, I saw where I messed with this, but that wasn't... Yeah, it was this right here. And this is happening during a trigger. Though I thought it was for cutscene. Is this for the explainer talking? Wait, what is my... Because it was just MC. MC voice, yeah. Interesting. Hold, please. Oh, is this an error? What's happening here? Oh, this is an error. There's an error happening. Fatal error. 1721. That could probably be the issue. Wrong one. 1721. Here we go. What did I mess up? Yes, the ID. Get the thumbnail. Oh, oh, that's why. Wah, wah. I need the main character name. Main character equals get option. Explore main character. False. And this is now main character. Cool. That should work. And go. Still broken. But there shouldn't be a... Yeah, there's no more console error though. I mean, no more fatal error. Okay, so what's happening again? It's the dataset voice. So wait, what is happening here? Do I even have one of these for my voice? I should. Wait, it's not even in here. What the fuck? Oh, duh. Oh wait, there is still an error. What now? 1722. Object of... Oh. Oh, I'm treating this like a string. Error! My bad. I thought this was... Oh, what am I doing? Oh no, I'm trying to get the ID. I thought that was the ID. It was just the post object. Got it. My bad. That was my bad. There we go. Ain't broke no mo. Alright, cool. Everything's working. I can't talk to her already. What? I see the old walking animation. It's so shit. With a weird shoulder humping and his legs kind of flying forward out of its body. And the up wasn't much better than it is now. I mean, it still looks straight, at least. The other one kind of looks like at an angle. The down is definitely a lot better, but anyways. What was I doing? Yeah, the whole point of this was to get the ID in a place where I could read it and see if that's the main character. So let's go back. Yeah. And let's check. What was it? I don't remember where it was. Okay. It was in the cutscene. It was the talking. What was I doing? Let's think about this. Yeah, let's think about this. So we needed to change the ID. Well, because we changed it to ID, because that's what the new talking logic is. So let's go to engage cutscene. Let's go down to the logic where I'm looking whether it's me or not, the main character. And I think that was around here. Yes, right here. So, if I kind of screwed myself by making the main character the slug, but I should be able to get the ID as well. So I'm just going to do that. So we have data main character and main ID or something. I don't know. Because we're getting the ID. And we need to just define the ID as well. God damn it. This is kind of stupid, isn't it? But I have the ID available, so I should have it available. I have it available, so I should have it available. It's good logic. So I put I put it here. Put the main character slug here, which is cool. But I need the ID somehow. Which I'm getting it during the talking. But I need it available here. Shit. And for main character, it's just the option. It's not even the ID. So I'd have to do another query just to get its ID, which is kind of fucking dumb. Hey, don't get me wrong. You don't look like a developer at first. Hey, Max. Yeah. Well, I wasn't always a developer. Have been for a long time. But I started as a professional piercer for about 10 years and worked at Hollywood for a bunch and Echo Park, Studio City. But then I realized I didn't make any money. So I, you know, I was always into computers, but started making money, you know, building websites and stuff, photo retouching. And that got me here. Well, a lot of other stuff got me here. I worked for Disney for a while. Built some Harry Potter websites for Warner Brothers. Worked on the Carrie Underwood website for Universal, their music label. Kind of built a big resume. And yeah, now I've been a WordPress programmer for like 16 years and building a WordPress game engine. That's where you caught me, Max. So I don't think anything is wrong with you thinking I don't look like a developer. I was also into bands a lot too. All the music you hear in the background is my bands singing, screaming, playing piano. I really dug myself into a hole though. Unfortunately. Because I need the main character ID. I don't want to use another query just to grab the main character ID. But I don't really know how else I'd get it. TBH. Thanks, Max. I appreciate that. I know I'm grabbing the ID here already. When I'm getting the character images. See, I have the main character's ID right here. So maybe... Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. I'm already passing this as information. I should just pass ID in here as well. Duh. Problem solved. So now, if it has ID, which mine will, we have the character info right here. We can do main character. Oh, we have the info right here. But yeah, main character ID equals main character ID. Otherwise, it's whatever, false. Fantastic. Yeah, and I've been making this RPG game based off of my sci-fi fantasy book series, the Harmonian Chronicles, available now on Amazon. If you're interested in sci-fi and fantasy, this is a crossover series where it's a bunch of scientists having to escape to another universe, which ends up being a fantasy universe. So you got 4 scientists trying to come to grips with a universe full of magic and fairies and elves and you know, how they survive using their, you know, logic and science and technological advances that they bring with them. But it centers around a mysterious race called the Harmonians. And yeah, book 1 and 2 are available now. I'm working on book 3 right now. I'll give you a sneak preview so you can get an idea how book 3 is going. 3 chapters-ish. But I'm focusing a lot on the video game right now. So we're taking a break on that. But yeah, it's going to be a 4-book series. There's audiobook if all you do is listen to books. Great narrator, Jacob McNatt. Had him narrate the books. Okay, cool. We have the ID. I found a way. So now what I want to do is put it somewhere. We'll just put data main ID or something. There we go. That's a cop-out, but I'll take it because I need it. Data main character ID. Right? Is that what I called it? Yeah. Technically, I should put this on the main character itself. Let's do that. Because the name I use globally, but the main character is what I'm calling upon to get the class name anyways. Wait, where am I? Well, am I? I forget. Gotta be down by the map, right? Intro video. Footer. Here's the map. Here's me. Yes, this is the main character. Great. Yeah, okay. And data main ID. Cool. Okay, so now that we have the ID, I can do this stupid logic check. So that to do that, the dialogue character ID, I need to get the main character ID. Which I should be able to get by doing const main character, no, map character. Main map character. Get element by ID. Map character. And then we'll do if that main map character dot data set main ID. Okay. So if that does not equal that, then we're good. Otherwise, I could use what I already called, which is the main map character. Okay, cool. Now there's a whole reason why I have that. I don't have to query it twice. Fantastic. This should fix all of our problems. I don't remember what they were, though. Okay, let's figure this out. Why are you telling me about a new major version? Don't tell me about that. Go. Okay, I'm gonna restart so I can test the cutscene. Cool, 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 cool. Pay no attention to the rando video. Okay, come here. I want to see if I can see my images now. Talk to me. Oh my god, they're still not showing. Why not? Why not? Oh, god damn it, what did I do? Map cut scene. Why are you not showing your image? What the fuck? We have the ID. ID. Data character is the ID. Oh wait, hold on. So this gets me to the point where we're getting the ID of the person. Oh, wait. So actually, I would have to do this. Yeah, let's not do that. So let's just do this. Let's just do this. So if data char does not equal that, then we'll do this. There we go. That should help. Oh, that's not a thing. There you go. But see, I'm using the ID. Oh my god, I'm doing it a bunch of those here too. No wonder it's not working still. I gotta do the same shit. Same logic. Right here. Bop. Bop. And I think that's it. Cool. Cool. Yes. Yes. And that's only if it's not me. And I think that's it. Let's try again. Haha, I trapped you. You can't leave. Alright. Come here, Carol. Talk to me. Talk to me, Carol. Talk to me. You bitch. Come here. Alright, still not working. Why? We're gonna have to start console logging and figuring out why her character is not... I'm guessing it's the class name. It's just not coming out right. Oh, look at that. We actually got something wrong. Remove engage. Main character. Data character. Main character. Do I even have... Is that even a thing? Data. Character. Whoa. Interesting. No. See, now data characters are an ID, not the name. Shit. Though it is for the cutscene, but not the cut character. Data character. Yeah, here we go. See, this is not actually good because there's multiple data characters out there. Oh, if not, area cutscene reset MC cutscene character. I get what this is supposed to be, but it needs to be cut. Needs to be this dot cut character. Needs to be more specific. And anyways, that's not a thing anymore. I need main character ID. Do I have the map character here? I do not. Is there a way for me to get his cut character? Ugh. Shit. Oh, look, it doesn't even have it. My character's not even showing. Yo! What's WordPress anywhere? Hey! Abiraj. Great question. WordPress is it's a content management system. It's a CMS. This is WordPress. So, in the dashboard, WordPress is just a place to write articles, you know, build pages. It's how you, it's a way of building websites. The best thing about WordPress is that for the most part, it was built so that you can do no code solutions for building websites, kind of like Wix, and you know, at a very low level. But WordPress is much more advanced than no code solution websites. You're not just drag and dropping pages and stuff like that. You build content now using a more advanced page building system, the Gutenberg block editor, where you can, you know, create content on the fly. You can add, you know, any type of block you want, heading. And for the most part, this is what my website, my marketing website is built on. So orbemortar.com is built using WordPress. Now, this is a custom theme that I built. I am a WordPress programmer. So there's plenty of WordPress developers out there that use WordPress as it was intended. Third-party plugins, themes, they install them, they configure them. You know, bing, bang, boom, you have a website. But I build those. So I build themes and plugins for other people to use to build their websites. And more recently, I work on enterprise level websites, build them from scratch for giant corporations like Disney, Warner Brothers, Universal, Investors.com, Beachbodies, just massive massive companies, like billion-dollar companies that need to use WordPress for its post writing functionality for their articles, but they need to do things that WordPress is not made to do. How do you make a game engine on that? That's exactly what we're doing right now. So I use all these, you know, configuration tools, like I mentioned. Sorry, let me get to local. All these configuration tools that I mentioned, like the fields, the copy, and all that kind of stuff. And I created a plugin called the Orbem Game Engine. And all this is a bunch of options I've given people for like global things, create areas. You can create items, characters, cutscenes, weapons, enemies. So all these things you can build in WordPress using the custom post types that I defined. And then it goes on the front end and it ends up looking like this. So basically, once you configure it and you add all the assets, then you can make your own RPG video game. And you don't need to code at all. I built a plugin so that you can build areas, build people, you know, collectibles, cutscenes for talking to people, like here, explainer videos, all this kind of stuff. You can make NPCs walk, wander, and do whatever you want in this ecosystem without having to do much, you know, no coding at all. And you'll see I have this dev mode already built into it where you can drag and drop items. You can pinpoint, figure out where coordinates are. You can show and hide items on the front end. You can see when I click on these eyes, things start to disappear. You can edit the size of things on the front end. So like this giant plant right here, where is it? Where are you, giant plant? This one right here. I can resize this giant plant, make it back to a normal size on the fly. And then I can click and drag it into place. So, and that saves to the database. And I'm utilizing your website's database to save all this configuration and let it, you know, work client side. And if you refresh the page, you're in the exact same spot you were because I'm saving your coordinates every time you move. So yeah, it's a lot of functionality built into this, but this is my implementation of using my game engine. So I'm building a video game based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. So, you know, I it's twofold. I wanted to build the game first, but I needed a game engine in WordPress in order to build it into my WordPress website. So I built it into WordPress. But now I saw the benefit of being able to build a game on WordPress, so I'm building it for everybody to be able to use. And this will be in the WordPress directory eventually, where you can install the plugin and make your own game. And if you never got into web development before and you just wanted to make a game, you could do that. If you never got into game development before and you wanted to check it out using your own website, you could do that too. But I broke a bunch of stuff because I changed the way that main characters work. So this is not right. Oh, I know what I can do. Main map main character equals query selector. This is data main equals window dot main character. There we go. Perfect. What? So that's fine. But this is not what I need now. I need map main character dot data set main ID. There we go. That should get you there. That should work. Though now I'm seeing all the images are just not working in general now. So I'm gonna have to fix some shit. So that's not gonna work until, I mean, I guess the first one should have worked. Yeah, because it has my ID here. But where is the main character? Carol. Cut character. Wait, why is this the wrong? Where is mine? Where is the main character? Because that's the wrong ID. What the hell ID is that? What the hell is 2774? Wait, what's this? Yeah, this is him. This is the Salverson. But 2531 is me, right? Right? Who am I asking? 2531 is me. So who's 2774? Oh, that's Salverson's CEO office. The hell is that doing on the map? Hold on, let me check where 2531 is. Maybe I'm just looking at the wrong one. 2531. That's my ID. That's fine. Where's my cut character though? It's not even here. Wait, what? Oh shit, why is it grabbing the wrong character? Cut character. Wait, what? Cutscene? Cut character. So this should be me, but it's not. Why? Who is this? Who are you? Cut character. What the fuck? I guess I shouldn't have done that. Go. Cut character. 27. Oh, here we go. 40. Wait, yeah. Who the fuck is? This is not me. Yeah, this is Salverson. Wait, what is the main character coming out as? Ew it. Oh, did I do the wrong main character? Hold on. I mean, that might not be the name. I'm an idiot. I'm possibly an idiot. No. 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 I need my local. Joe. Main character is... Oh, I forgot it's underscores. I forgot. For options, I use underscores in the name. Okay, this should work now. That's why it wasn't working. Had the wrong ID too. No wonder. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, still didn't work. His ID should be right now though. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Yay! Okay. Good. Everything's there. I mean, there's really no reason it shouldn't be working, but everything's there. And now let's see what the hell is going on here. So that's fine. This should no longer break. Cut character. So why? Oh, why? Let's check this. I think it's this right here. I need to make sure that the ID is coming out here. Do you have the strength? Won't be like before. Oh, that's why. See? It still has the whole fucking spiel. Wait, where's MC coming from? Uh-oh. That's not good. Wait, what the fuck? Where did MC... Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, why is MC coming and not the ID? Uh-oh. Oh, that's right. I didn't update all of them. Okay, hold on. I thought I already added this. Oh, I guess I added it somewhere else. Or was it? Place. Explore. Character. Alright, that should work now. Show me an image. This should work, by the way. I fixed this a while ago. I don't know why it's not starting the cutscene. Okay, well now we're getting the right ID. Nice. Yeah, okay. So if the ID is correct, then this should be correct. Which it is not. So let's check why that is. Definitely should be correct. I love how I have to go through this whole fucking thing now. Yeah, see, look, it worked. And yet it didn't. Very interesting. Very interesting. It worked, but it didn't. So what's the point of having you be engage? Oh shit. If you're not going to do anything. Is it because the data character? Oh, it might be. Shit. Did I have special styling for that? Oh, son of a bitch. I can't do that. I cannot do that. Custom styling just for you. Hold on. How am I going to handle this? I can't just call it cut character. It has to say like main in it. Div dot main dot cut. Oh, whatever. Yeah, cut character. Something like that. So where am I? I'm right. I'm right here. Can you hear me? I think. Cut character. Yeah. I'm in the class. Right here. So yeah, we need to call this main. Great. Perfect. Now, oh, well, let's compile. All right, now it should work. Please show me an image. Yay, my image showed up. Awesome. Okay, and let's see if we can get what's her face. Okay, why is it doing that actually? I need to fix that. I think it's because of this. Cut character. Classless remove engage. What? Why is it not finding this? This is correct. Data character. Meh. Maybe it's not. Should be right. Also getting an error over here. Okay. Hold on. Main ID. Wait, is main ID not what I called it? I thought I called it main ID. I called it, I called it map character. Oh, that's weird. Where'd the... Uh-oh. Where did the fucking thing go? Didn't I add a data main ID or something? That's data main. What happened to the data main ID I added? Uh-oh. Let's find out. Oh, did I add it? No. Data character. What the fuck? Main ID? Data main. Am I tripping? Did I not add it? I thought I did. What the fuck? Here's the main character. No. I would have added it here. Data, main. Yeah, here we go. Main ID. Yeah, there we go. So... why am I tripping? I can't see it. Main ID. Character main ID. Data weapons there. Data projectile. Right? Data ability. Am I in the wrong area? Is that not main map character? Oh, is this the weapon? Oh shit, this is the weapon. I'm an idiot. I added it to the wrong element. Oogie baka ha ha ha. I'm an idiot. It is right here. That would explain it. Okay, well now that he's on the right element, this should work. Talk to me, bitch. Alright, this should completely work. No! It did not completely work. And that would be because of this still. Alright, let's find out what's happening with the main character. Why are you still not able to see this main ID? Which clearly still does... wait. Still, it does exist. 253, yeah, 2531. Data main ID. Let me double check what's going on. Right here. Data set, main ID. That's correct. So the incorrect part must be this. Data main. Oh, I'm an idiot. That is not correct. That's not how it works, bro. That wasn't the right thing. I was grabbing the wrong... I was grabbing the container. My bad. Work. Pop, 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 pop. Yay! It worked. Though this still came out null. What is this for? Engage cut character. I think it's just because I didn't switch all the things. Okay, let's see if we can get Carol's image to show up. And if we can, I think we're good to go. Carol, talk to me. Yay! We got Carol on the cutscene. Though she's still walking, I gotta fix that. Oh yeah, we did it. That's great. Good, I think we're back where we started. But now at least we have the main character can be named whatever you want. I was really considering putting names underneath the images too, so you knew who was talking, but alright. Let us stop the walking and we'll call it a night. So, engage cutscene. So where, so I have allow movement, but I also need to pause the character. So where is the actual, it's not actually here, but this is where I want to add it. So we'll do it here. We'll do window.pause NPC. And the time in between. Because I think right now window pause NPC, yeah, it does this. So I don't think I want to do this actually. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is NPC break. And I want to make this global. Okay. Oh, no, it doesn't need to be. It already is. Okay. So let's actually go back to what I just did and just switch it to NPC break. NPC break equals false. And then we'll switch it back to true when the cutscene's over. Where's after cutscene? After cutscene. Here we go. And now when I can walk and all that kind of shit, move NPC, all this stuff. Path trigger position. Yeah. Whatever. No, I don't want to do that. Where do I let myself? Oh, allow hit. What about walking? Where do I re-engage my own walking? I must do it after this. Engage enemy, enter new area. Huh. I assumed I would have done it here. Allow walk or whatever. Alright, well, let's just put it here, I guess. Now, what I just realized is when one NPC is paused, all of them will be. which is fine, I guess. Because if I'm in a cutscene, I don't really want anybody moving around. But it's not really natural. Anyways, let's just do it here. NPC break. NPC break equals false. NPC break. Cool. Made it true. Then false. That's good. Oh, true. False is the bad one. Got it. All right, see if it works. If it does, we'll call it. Oh, I gotta start fresh. And we'll push this code up and call it a night. Come to me, Carol. Now, I don't want her to walk around. So, look, it worked. She stopped walking. I knew that would happen. But it is nice that something actually worked. So now when she stops talking to me, she should start walking again. There you go. Though she started walking earlier than I wanted. So let's look at that. Yeah. Like, where's the whole... Yeah, here we go. Save, enter. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it here, like where I allow. There we go. Much better. All right. I think we're done. Let's go ahead and push this up to production. And yeah, I'm going to have to reset some of the talking. I'm going to have to rebuild the Salverson cutscene, which is not a big deal. It must be done. But we did fix some bugs, which is good. And we did get the NPC cutscene stopping her, which is much more natural. I just need to figure out a way to make specific NPCs do stuff. I mean, it does loop through all of the characters, so it should be fine. But like the breaks, and the same with my God mode. Right now my God mode affects even NPCs and allows them to walk through walls when I turn it on, so that gets in the way. But with that, thanks. Bhiraj, Max, Short Juice. You guys are great. Chloe, thanks for jumping on at the very beginning. And yeah, nobody jumped on Twitch, so fuck you guys. But have an amazing Tuesday for me now. But whatever day it is for you, have an amazing one. Get some sleep if you can, no matter what time of day it is. And I hope that you all make sure to check out Orbem.games. Check out the game as I have it right now in progress. Make sure you're subscribed and following. If you're watching in the future, hey, come see me in person. I like talking. And I have plenty to say about the industry. So if you have any questions about programming, you know, working for a corporation, being successful in whatever you're doing, I have a little bit of insight into everything. So make sure you join the Discord if you have not yet. It's on orbemorder.com. That's ORBEMORDER.com. You can see lots of stuff on here, including flex keys. Don't forget that if you like to do a lot of programming, if you like to do things with your fingers, including play the piano, or if you're a mountain climber or whatever other musician, guitar, get some flex keys because they help build dexterous fingers, keep you more agile, and they're very addicting to play with. They fit in your pocket, and best yet, they're only $4.99. $4.99. What? I know. And that's not it. They come in an array of interchangeable colors. You like Christmas? You like gray and red? You like gray and purple? Whatever. Get them. Ships anywhere in the US. Sorry, all my international peeps. I don't ship internationally yet. Still working on it. But there's a whole lot of things in the shop that probably are international. I think the rest of this stuff from Printify. So, yeah. Pick and choose. Summertime's coming up. You got your beach towels. You got your candles. You got your clothes, your puzzles, your drinks. Whatever. Coffee. You like coffee? I make my own brand of coffee. And a 20-ounce mug to put it in. Woo! Fantastic. And don't forget about the books. Available on Amazon right now. Harmonian Chronicles. Get them today. If you want to know a little bit more about the journey of the game that I am building. With that, I will say thank you, everybody. Have a great night. I'll catch you in the next one. Keep flexing. Keep WordPressing. And, yeah. Goodbye.